Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered if what you eat and how you live can actually make you smarter or more focused? Imagine if the key to unlocking your brain's full potential was as simple as tweaking your diet and daily habits. Today, we're discussing the topic of brain-boosting nutrition and lifestyle. By the end of this lecture, you'll understand the impact of nutrition on brain health and cognitive function, key nutrients and foods that support brain health, lifestyle habits that enhance cognitive performance and overall well-being. Let's discuss the impact of nutrition on brain health and cognitive function. The brain requires a steady supply of nutrients to function optimally. What we eat can significantly affect our memory, focus, concentration, and mental clarity. Example: just like a car needs high-quality fuel to run efficiently, our brains need the right nutrients to perform at their best. Consuming a diet rich in brain-boosting foods can enhance cognitive functions and protect against mental decline. Let's discuss key nutrients and foods that support brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and walnuts, are essential for brain health. They play a very important role in building brain cells and maintaining cognitive functions. Example: studies have shown that regular consumption of omega-3s can improve memory and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Antioxidants. Antioxidants, such as those found in berries, fruits, dark chocolate, and green tea, protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage brain cells. Real-world story: blueberries, often referred to as brainberries, are packed with antioxidants that have been linked to improved memory and cognitive function. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, B vitamins, and magnesium, are vital for brain health. They support various brain functions, from energy production to protecting neurons. Analogy: think of vitamins and minerals as maintenance workers for your brain, keeping everything running smoothly and efficiently. Hydration. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining cognitive function. Even mild dehydration can impair concentration, memory, and overall brain performance. Example: drinking adequate water throughout the day ensures that your brain remains sharp and focused. Let's discuss lifestyle habits that enhance cognitive performance and overall well-being. Regular physical exercise. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, promotes the growth of new neurons, and enhances cognitive functions. Activities like aerobic exercises, yoga, Pilates, and strength training are beneficial. Story: regular exercise has been shown to reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and improve overall brain function. Quality sleep. Sleep is necessary for brain health, as it helps consolidate memories, clear out toxins, and repair neural connections. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Example: studies have demonstrated that adequate sleep improves learning, memory, motor functions, and problem-solving skills. Mental stimulation. Keeping the brain active through mental challenges, such as puzzles, learning new skills, or engaging in intellectually stimulating activities, promotes neuroplasticity and cognitive health. Analogy: think of mental stimulation as a workout for your brain, strengthening and building new neural connections. Stress management. Chronic stress can negatively impact brain health and cognitive functions. Techniques like mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing can help manage stress effectively. Example: practicing mindfulness meditation has been shown to reduce stress levels and improve attention and memory. Closing thoughts. Brain-boosting nutrition and lifestyle habits are the hidden secret to enhancing cognitive performance and overall well-being. Incorporate key nutrients into your diet. Stay hydrated. Exercise regularly. Get quality sleep. Engage in mental stimulation. Manage stress effectively. These actions optimize your brain health and unlock your full potential. Small changes in your diet and lifestyle can have a significant impact on your brain's performance. Assignment: research one brain-boosting food and incorporate it into your diet. Reflect on any changes you notice in your mental clarity and overall well-being, and record it in the form of a 200-word essay. Recommended resources. For further reading, I recommend Brain Food: The Surprising Science of Eating for Cognitive Power by Lisa Mosconi. This book provides in-depth insights into how nutrition affects brain health.